In the depths of the ocean exists a language we are only beginning to understand. The giants we call whales do not just glide through the water with calm majesty. They speak. What you are about to discover is an exploration of their acoustic world, their societies, and the latest scientific breakthroughs revealing that their communication is far more complex than we ever imagined. Each whale lives in a universe made of sound. Light fades after a few dozen meters, but sound carries for hundreds of kilometers. In this blue world, silence is death, and a single sequence of clicks can mean everything from reunion to warning. The ocean is not empty. It is an orchestra. Every echo, every pulse is information. The whales use it to navigate, to hunt, to identify each other. Their lives are written in vibrations, not words. Take the sperm whale. It travels in matriarchal clans that function like tightly woven families. When they dive, they do so in synchrony. When they hunt, they coordinate. And when they speak, they use codas. Patterns of rhythmic clicks that are far from random. Recent studies have shown that these codas are structured, almost grammatical. Some patterns are shared across oceans, others unique to small clans. Researchers now believe these patterns may signal identity, intent, or emotional state. It's not language as we know it, but it might be something astonishingly close. The tools to uncover this world are evolving fast. Hydrophones planted across the Atlantic record terabytes of data. Drones track pods from above. AI systems analyze thousands of hours of sound to uncover patterns humans could never notice. Project SETI, a multinational scientific collaboration, is training algorithms to decode these sounds, essentially building a translation layer between species. The early findings suggest that sperm whales use timing, rhythm, and repetition, not only to identify themselves, but to build relationships. Now shift focus to the humpback whale. Its communication is a kind of music, songs that can last for hours, sometimes even days. These songs are not static, they evolve. A melody sung in one season can transform the next, spreading across oceans as new versions take hold. What's striking is that these songs follow the same statistical rules as human languages. Zipf's law, Menzerath's law, laws that describe efficiency and structure in speech, also govern whale song. Shorter, simpler sounds occur more frequently. Complex sequences convey rarer information. The ocean has grammar. Why does this matter? Because communication defines survival. Whales coordinate hunts with precision. They share information about prey, migration routes, and predators. Some even appear to use sound as a form of teaching, passing knowledge across generations. And yet, there's a problem. The ocean is getting louder. Cargo ships, naval sonar, and oil exploration create an invisible fog of noise. For animals that depend entirely on sound, this is catastrophic. Communication breaks, families scatter, hunting fails. The social fabric of entire pods begins to unravel. To understand just how fragile this balance is, scientists have replayed recordings of human noise near whale groups. The result? Silence. The whales stop calling. Imagine a world where every conversation is drowned out by static. That's the reality we're creating. But in the quiet corners of the ocean, the dialogue continues. Each coda exchanged between sperm whales adds to a collective library of sound. Researchers now speak of dialects, distinct signatures that act like cultural fingerprints. These dialects are learned, not inherited, a rare sign of cultural evolution in non-human animals. This has staggering implications. It means that whale societies are not just biological, they are cultural. They transmit knowledge, traditions, and possibly even collective memory. The ocean, it turns out, holds civilizations built from sound. From an evolutionary standpoint, communication is a strategic advantage. The ability to share information efficiently allows for cooperation, defense, and adaptation. Whales that mastered communication mastered survival. Their success lies not only in size or strength, but in intelligence distributed across a group. The parallels with human society are uncomfortable. We often see ourselves as the pinnacle of communication. Yet whales have been exchanging structured messages for millions of years longer than our species has existed. They are living archives of what communication can become when shaped by nature, not technology. As AI helps us decode these patterns, we face a choice. Do we listen with curiosity, or do we continue to drown them out? The study of whale communication is not just about decoding another species, it's a mirror showing how fragile our own systems of connection can be when overwhelmed by noise. Today, we can finally hear fragments of their world, but hearing is not the same as understanding. To truly know the whales, we must protect the medium through which they speak. Because protecting whales is not just an act of conservation, it's an act of preservation for an ancient form of intelligence. Their songs and codas are more than signals. They are the living record of cooperation, adaptation, and consciousness evolved in parallel to our own. The ocean still speaks. It has for millions of years. Our responsibility is to keep listening, to let its languages continue to echo across the water. If you want to keep exploring the intelligence of life beneath the surface, subscribe and stay with us on this journey into the deep. Subscribe for more explorations into the science of life beneath the waves.